Looking for the best inventor battery brands online? There are too many options and not sure what to choose. Worried that a lower budget might mean lower features or that better features means cost too much? In this review, we'll help you find that perfect balance of budget plus top-notch features with a smart decision. Some of the top inventor batteries combo brands in India include Genesis, Luminous, Exide, Tata Green, Microtech and Livguard. We avoid Microtech and Livguard for specific reasons, which we'll explain later in the video. So keep watching to learn more. We have done all the research for you from Trustpilot, Reddit, Quora and real-world tests. And now we are comparing the top inventor battery combo brands Genesis, Luminous, Exide and Tata Green. Let's see a clear side-by-side comparison to help you choose with confidence. First, power load. Let's kick off with power load because your inventor should match your home's energy demand. Higher wattage means more appliances running together. Exide handles the most at 900 watts, followed by Tata Green at 700 watts, Luminous at 685 watts and Genesis at 660 watts. Second, inverter VA. VA rating is the engine power of your inverter. More VA equals to smoother performance under higher load. Exide leads with 1125 VA, Tata Green follows at 1000 VA and both Genesis and Luminous offers 900 VA. Third, battery ampere hour. Your battery capacity decides how long the power will last. Higher ampere hour means longer backup. Exide gives stops with 200 ampere hour, Tata Green comes with 160 ampere hour, while Genesis and Luminous offer 150 ampere hour each. Fourth, battery type. Not all batteries are built the same. Tubular batteries last longer and performance better in deep discharge. All four brands Genesis, Luminous, Exide and Tata Green use tall tubular batteries. Fifth, waveform. The quality of power output affects your appliances. Pure sine waves ensures safe use with sensitive electronics. Great news! All four brands deliver pure sine waves output, making them ideal for home appliances and even medical equipments. Sixth, backup time. 300 watt load. Longer backups equals to peace of mind during blackouts. Higher backup ensures lights, fans and gadgets keep running. Exide delivers the most at 5 hours. Luminous follows with 4.5 hours and both Genesis and Tata Green offers 4 hours. 7th, charging time. Quicker charging equals to ready for next power cut sooner. All day charging isn't particular. Faster is better. All models charge with 10 to 12 hours, which is standard for this category. 8th, solar ready. Solar compatibility is future proofing at its best. Solar ready inventors cut your electricity bill. Luminous is retrofit ready. Exide depends on the model, but Genesis and Tata Green are non-solar compatible out of the box. 9th, smart display / features. A smart interference keeps you informed in real time. Digital displays makes it easy to monitor load, backup and faults. Exide includes LED plus smart protection. Luminous offers digital DSP and battery timers, while Genesis and Tata Green provide basic indicators. 10th, protection features. A good inverter protects your investments, literally. Overload, short circuit and polarity protections are essential. Luminous has the most extensive set. Exide supports deep discharge safety. Genesis has the standard protections and Tata Green offers basic safety features. 11th, brand origin. Trusted brands often means better availability and services. All four brands like Genesis, Luminous, Exide and Tata Green are proudly made in India. 12th, scrap value. Even used batteries have value. Don't ignore it. Higher scrap values equals to better returns after years of use. Exide offers the highest scrap value. Luminous is the medium high and Genesis and Tata Green have medium value. 13th, maintenance level. The easier it is to maintain, the more peace of mind you get. Low maintenance saves your time and money. Exide and Luminous require high upkeep, with Genesis and Tata Green are rated medium. 14th, build quality. Strong build quality equals to long life. Better materials make your inverter more durable. Exide and Luminous offers excellent build. Genesis and Tata Green are rated good. 15th, service quality. When things go wrong, service matters most. Quick, reliable services equals to less downtime. Luminisys shines with 24 to 48 hours on-site service. Genesis gives 24 hours callbacks. Exide relies on a dealer network and Tata depends on in-house support. 16th, warranty. A strong warranty means company trusts its product. Longer coverage means more long-term protection. Exide gives 3.5 years inverter warranty plus 5 years battery warranty. Tata Green gives 3 years plus 3 years pro rata. Genesis offers 3 by 5 years and Luminisys gives 2 by 3 years warranty. 17th, customer rating. Let's hear what real users say, because reviews never lie. Verified reviews build buyers' confidence. Luminisys lead with 4.1 star rating out of 5 star rating. Exide gets 4 star rating out of 5 star rating. Genesis gets 4.4 star rating out of 5 star rating. However, having lower number of reviews and Tata Green trails with 3.9 star rating out of 5 star rating. 18th, discount code. Who doesn't love a good deal? Let's talk savings. Exclusive links in the description can save your serious cash. Luminisys and Exide offers working discount links, while Genesis and Tata Green don't offer codes due to poor reviews. Finally, if you're curious about the latest features, models or pricing, just check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching Brand Investigation. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more honest reviews and unique comparisons.